So yeah, back out on the beach, and yeah, look who's with me. Back out with the deeper bleeper. We're literally only going to do probably 2, maybe 3 hours at the most. We're a bit whacked from yesterday's. Well, I don't know how many hours we did now. Actually, I think it was about 8.5 hours. But we're knackered. So we've come onto a different beach this time in Kent. So enjoy and see you at the first hole. Alright, we've got a 9091. Should be a penny. It could be a 2p. It could also be a pound, because the numbers are just changing all the time. If it's a coin, that is. It might not be even a coin. It's out. It's in the scoop. And we've got, drum roll, 2p. Yep, 2p. So all the numbers have dropped by at least one number. Yep, 2p. 50-51 again. Yep, still 50-51. Now we're on an earring. Got ourselves an earring. It's got a stamp on it as well, so I'd say we've got a silver earring. I may be wrong. There is a number on there. Yeah, there's definitely a number on there. So, looks like we've got a silver earring. Happy days. And that was a 50-51. Low numbers, really. It's a 50-51 again. Seems to be the golden number tonight. I might have just missed it. Another ring pull. Well, I didn't even know that. 67. So there's the little hole. I've just turfed around. There it is there. It's a 50p. It's a 50p. It's one of the Shield 50p's. So basically, if you're not aware, there was some coins were released in, I don't know what year it was actually, it's all going to be the same, 2012. and basically it created a shield. So this was the bottom part of the shield. This is where the 50p was. Got 56. Not 100% on it. In the scoop. I'm hoping there's going to be a coin. It's likely to be a bit of foil. Oh, I'm not doing very well on the coin front tonight. Yeah, bit of bubbly, I think. Let's come off. Oh, here we go. What's the name of it? So, celebrating life is for celebrating. There you go. I've got an 86. Oh dear, that is evil. Absolutely evil. Seeing gold, and it's let it blossom. Little bottle of wine, bottle cap. $71.72.
Coins on you?
Hey?
Got any coins on you?
Yeah, why's that?
I just want to see if this what this
Watch
sounds
yourself.
like.
Watch yourself. And we're on a 20p. Oh, I didn't record it. Oh, it's a £2. Sorry, I thought it was something else. It's a £2 coin. It came out of there. It come up as a 87, 86, 87. Yeah, 86, 87. I thought it was going to be another bottle cap, that's why I didn't record it. $85, 86. Can't see anything obvious. $85, 86. What is that I've just found? I don't know. Doesn't look English. Don't know. I haven't got a clue on that one. Oh, is it like a 10 centimes or something like that? 10 euro cent or something? No. I haven't got a clue. Once I've cleaned it up, had a look at it, I'll well, you'll obviously see it anyway. I think it's Chinese, right? I don't know, I might be wrong. I might be totally wrong. But anyway, a coin's a coin.
No, coin.
What's that? Ship half penny, is it?
That's George the First, 1720.
I'm
1720 to 1760.
I'm recording.
I will take that.
I'm recording. Was it a 2p or a ship half penny?
Nah, you know it's going to be that because it was a 9.5.
Yeah.
It's got to be a 2p, isn't it? I'm telling you, this is a 2p.
Yeah, but we got one of them already. We don't want another one.
Oh, no, we need a penny.
We want a penny. And a 10p.
Yeah, no, that's a 2.
That's a 89 to 92. Not very far down either. And now it's dropped to an 80, 86. Have we got a coin? Have we got a coin? Please. Oh. What the?
What's that, a tow bar, mate? What's that, a ball cap cover off a tow bar?
Oh my god, see that's the trouble when it's dark, you can't see. 71, solid. And we've got a coin. We've got a coin. It's a 20 pence. Can you see that in the light? There you go, look, 20p.